Today, I'm going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS Academic Book 15, Test 2, the Writing Task 2. Do you agree or disagree? In the future, nobody will buy printed newspapers or books because they will be able to read anything they want online without paying. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Now, this 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, mention the topic and your opinion. In para 2, discuss the topic. In para 1, discuss the topic. In para 2, give your opinion. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now, in the introduction, mention the topic and your opinion. The statement mentions that there will be a time when printed newspapers will become obsolete and that all newsworthy materials will be available on the internet free of any charge. I, however, disagree with what is stated, and in this essay, I will discuss the reasons for my opinion. Now, in para 1, discuss the topic. In the current times, there are a number of mediums through which news is available to its readers, where the printed media attracts a per copy or periodic subscription charge, and the online media can usually be read without having to pay any money. In fact, these free-to-read online versions are either financially supported by advertisements or are funded by their printed versions. So either ways, the reader is directly or indirectly incurring a cost to read news. The essential thing to note is that news companies need to have a steady income to sustain an industry that collects, verifies, edits, and then publishes news for its readers. Now in para 2, give your opinion. I therefore feel that there will never be a time when legitimately procured and authenticated news materials will be available free of any charge. And even if that ever happens, the news that the free media companies would be putting out would have little or no credibility, as those companies would have neither the budget nor the infrastructure to authenticate its news articles, thus rendering their news non-newsworthy. And finally, summarize the essay. Thus, although it is claimed that free online news would someday replace newspapers, I completely disagree that this situation would ever occur, as authentic news has a cost associated to it. Now, this next slide will show the entire essay, and you can pause to read at your own pace. And as always, thank you very much for watching.